Hey Greenies, can an electric grill actually be good for the planet and cook your food? Let's find out. Welcome back to the Green Tech Byte, where we explore the best green tech and sustainable living. Today, we're diving into the GreenPan Electric Grill. So what is the GreenPan Electric Grill? Well, GreenPan is a company from Australia that makes non-toxic electric grills for your use. So one of the key features is it has a ceramic non-stick coating that's PFAS and PFOA-free. These are two toxic compounds that can be really harmful to your health. I will post a link of what they are and what the health effects are in the video bio. It also has an awesome non-stick coating. It is low wattage, so it does not take up much energy and doesn't have the emissions of charcoal or gas grills. It's also super awesome if you live in an apartment or a place where the housing code does not allow you to have a charcoal or gas grill. So how green is the GreenPan actually? Well, as I mentioned before, it's free from PFAS, PFOA, and heavy metals like lead and cadmium that can be on traditional grilling surfaces, especially its competitor, the George Foreman grill, which I initially looked into, but due to its Teflon coating, does actually have PFAS and PFOA, even their ceramic models. So it also has a low wattage use compared to gas grills, which is really helpful if you're trying to lower your emissions or consume less energy. It also purportedly has a long lifespan. I just got it, so I can't comment on that, but its ceramic coating is safe for food at high temperatures, and it puts out no toxic fumes when you're cooking. So it is a healthy way to cook your food. Alright, so here is our GreenPan grill. This is it with the lid off. What's really nice is it has these non-stick ceramic PFAS PFOA-free plates. They are really easy to clean. You can actually take this off and clean it. You can also just grab a magic eraser or some kind of sponge, wipe it down once you're done using it. Here's it with the lid on. It's actually pretty cute. As you can see, it fits in the space pretty nicely. It has this nice little rack where you can store utensils or platters. It has feet that are very stable. It has a couple hooks where you can put some grilling utensils. This is its temperature settings right here, on, low, medium, high, really easy to use, and it just plugs into your outlet. So some features in here that's really cool. It does have a bun rack. I prefer buns directly on the grill, but if you don't like your buns quite as toasted, you could put it right here. Alright, so we have the food cooking. We have some veggie burgers. We have the green beans and the tofu. You can see I already flipped one veggie burger and it looks amazing. So we are going to flip the other. You can see the really nice grill marks on there. Alright, so here we have the finished products. As you can see, the veggie burgers have a great grill mark. So these little grillable tofu cubes. Green beans look really good. It'll be my first time eating grilled green beans, so I'm really excited. Alright, now that I've shown you a demo of how it cooks, let's talk about its pros and cons. Its pros: it's an eco-friendly coating. It's energy efficient, it's stylish and compact, and it evenly heats your food. Now, what are the cons? Well, it does have a smaller cooking surface than your average gas or charcoal grill. Its price point is a little bit higher than the non-green competitors in the market, such as the George Foreman. It also has a corded power source, which is going to limit your travel mobility a bit. However, due to the low wattage, you could actually potentially plug it into your car's power inverter and take it on the go for wherever you would like. Alright, now the big question is it worth it? Well, if you live in an apartment or condo or want to ditch your gas grill for health or environmental reasons, this grill is a solid pick. I would give it a 9 out of 10. Something that it could improve sustainability-wise is it did come packaged in a lot of styrofoam, which is really not easy to recycle and often isn't, so I would highly recommend that they switch to a corrugated paper or cardboard in the box. Alright, thank you so much everyone for joining me for this video. So let's talk about in the comments section, would you switch to an electric grill to reduce your footprint? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments which green tech review you would like next.